Alright guys, I'm super stoked today because Ricky's about to nail me in the face with a giant bump. That actually would have killed me. I got scared at the last second and put my hands up, but if I didn't, I would have been dead. Okay, well, let's see what this says. You made it! We skated it! No way. I kind of want to get angry and just kick it, but then my ankle will hurt again.
Body slam it.
Yeah, go ahead, Chris. Yeah, get it! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, okay.
There we go. Put him in the
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah. Whoa, Black River Braille fingerboards?
They sent us paper.
Dude, can I have this? Can I have this? Can I keep this? Can I take it home? No way. Oh, that's epic. Dude. Oh, that's it.
Who's gonna do a blunt while someone else is blunting?
How did they make this? Super epic.
Hey, shout out y'all for dripping me down.
Oh, wait. The only blunted fakie I can do. We were just all skating like this, and he goes, dude, you should put trucks on this thing.
Whatever. Edit this out.
We're really hyped for your shows and your interest in fingerboarding. So we're sending you the skatable fingerboard ramp for You Make It, We Skate It. We did something similar for advertising some years ago. As you can see on the sticker we've included in this package. Whoa, that is epic. It'd be great to see you guys do a wall ride as well as blunt with it. Maybe you get a kickflip done too. Nobody can kickflip this, that's absolutely impossible. Whoa, whoa. You can fingerboard the ramp as well. We're leading worldwide in high quality fingerboard equipment and all our products are handmade. It's far off from plastic stuff like Tech Deck. Our fingerboards are small, working skateboards and not toys. You can check out our social media at @BlackRiver_official to see what we're talking about. Anyway, have fun shredding the skatable fingerboard ramp and we're looking forward to the video. With kind regards, Martin and the Black River team.
Do a blunt, and then while it's in the blunt, someone does a blunt on the fingerboard and then in.
Let it fly, let it fly. Because the quality on the You Make It, We Skate It's so high, and then we make anything and it's just like, oh, it broke 3 minutes in. Well, look at this, kid.
This is what we need.
This is what I'm saying. We buy a car and we make this. So somebody's driving the car down the street and somebody's on the top of this. Wait, where's he going?
Smart man.
Let's get it. Oh. Knee pads, maybe?
We got a secret surprise, and this is the warm-up for the surprise.
Wait, you think you could actually kickflip this?
Yes.
You think so?
I saw him kickflip like a 30-pound log.
Oh, I'm going to switch.
Don't you worry about what's going on back there. Don't you even worry about it. No, sir.
Yeah!
Let's go!
Now that was sick.
All right, you ready, JD? Well done, Dan.
So what'd they do? They wall rig. You gotta do a wall ride like they did, right?
I can do it on the actual wall for sure.
Man, you're on there and it's just going. We need some mini ramp puns. Ooh, he just axled. Nobody. All right, who's up next? Give us a wall ride, mate. I feel like you should put his shin protector back on. The man's scaring me.
All right, I'm gonna drop in. I gotta drop in.
Oh shit! instinct!
Why didn't you jump off? Did you see my instinct though?
Your natural instinct's not to go like this.
That was incredible.
JD, show us how to wall ride. You got it. Is that it? We gotta recreate their photo.
The highest wall ride on a skate park.
Yeah! He must work out. Go ahead, try a trick before we try kickflip. I thought that man was dead. You need to go all the way off though. You gotta drop in somehow. Hey, wall right into it.
I feel like Jack Sparrow when he got off his boat right there. Perfect.
First try!
I think he's got this, honestly. It skates pretty well once you get like used to it.
That was sketchy. It feels like I'm on top of a step with a I can't even describe it.
It's true. Anything that makes you go higher is way, way, way scary. Got a little damage action. How can he feeble anything?
I got off.
That was actually insane. Almost as insane as this giant shoe. Wait, what happened?
It hit my hand.
Ow.
And it's cold. Oh my gosh.
Well, give it another wangdanga. That's what we do here at the Braille Factory of Dreams.
I'll never be able to fingerboard again.
This is like the most unsafe thing I could think of right now. There's so many things that can go wrong. Safety first.
Make your guess. How many tries?
14.
Holy.
Let's try one. I'd like to up my tries to 35. That was try number 2, or as they say in France, deux. Try number 3, or as they say in Spain, tres.
Or as they say in Japan, san.
This is bringing back flashbacks from the logboard. Trees are plants.
All right, this is try number 4 coming up.
Try number 4. Okay, Bruce Lee.
Oh, hi.
And that was try number 4, down through the door. Try number 5, coming alive. That'll get you every time. That's how I sprained my ankle, right on that pop and just pop, 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 pop.
Gary.
He almost hung up and bodied. The man's got 8 tries to go. 6 or 7? I lost track. I think that was try 7. Try number 8 is down. We're now on try number 9. Number 10. You got 4 more tries. Yeah, you need to game plan it out. 11 tries, dang it, I was 3 tries away. That was good.
Can I try to ollie it real quick?
Oh.
Yeah.
This is interesting.
All right, let's run this kickflip.
I think it will be better out of a ramp, but let's just try one. First, we gotta do our... Look, right out of the pocket, right there.
He flicks it and he looks over at me like Mulan did at the very end, right before she killed the last emperor.
How do you feel after that game? This is probably bigger though, but lighter. This is lighter, but bigger.
You kickflip the plant.
It's up for debate.
He needs the TikTok angle. Now I understand. All right. So that thing is not gonna break. Right here, and I'll buy you a McFlurry. Damage report, the balsa wood is flying everywhere.
And no paint.
I know, I was like, what are you doing kicking the coping? Just kick the grip tape. I don't think anybody's gonna understand how incredibly hard that is. Right here for a Jamba Juice? They said they wanted a kickflip. What are we gonna do? Not kickflip? Do what your heart desires. You know what I miss? You're the author of your own story. I love how he doesn't come close at all. And then he goes, oh yeah, I think I got that, yeah.
Tough out here. I keep trying these really hard tricks and I know I can do them, but it's just...
Ouch!
I didn't do
real?
Wow. Honestly, that 100% is the hardest kickflip I've ever done. Very hard. That was very hard. Definitely the hardest kickflip I've ever done. I'm glad it was on such a fantastic board. I like skate, I like fingerboard. Man, that was really tough.
A huge thanks to Black River for sending us everything. You guys are absolutely awesome. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's your time. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. We got everything you need.